Framer versus Webflow versus Wix, best website builder. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Framer, Webflow, and Wix. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Framer. Framer is a powerful website builder known for its flexibility and design freedom, allowing designers to create custom layouts with no code or minimal code. Pros of Framer: offers high flexibility for design and animations, supports responsive web design with ease, strong integrations with tools like Figma and Sketch, great for those with design experience. Cons of Framer: steeper learning curve for beginners, limited templates compared to other platforms. Some advanced features are locked behind premium plans. Now, let's talk about Webflow. Webflow is a robust website builder that focuses on providing full control over web design while offering powerful CMS and e-commerce capabilities. Pros of Webflow: offers complete customization with visual design tools, ideal for advanced designers and developers, great for creating complex websites with no code, built-in CMS and e-commerce features. Cons of Webflow: requires a bit of a learning curve, especially for beginners. More expensive than some other website builders. Limited customer support for beginners. Finally, let's talk about Wix. Wix is a user-friendly website builder perfect for beginners who want to quickly create a website with ease and a wide variety of templates. Pros of Wix: very easy to use with drag and drop functionality, large variety of templates and themes, affordable pricing plans, good customer support. Cons of Wix: limited design customization for advanced users, can be restrictive when scaling up the website, slow loading times for some templates. So that's basically the main differences between Framer, Webflow, and Wix, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.